Hello there guys, I'm back. My name is Sammy Kikoy and welcome to my channel. And now we'll be doing a reaction video of Ladies of Soul 2017 Tribute Medley. This was posted a week ago and got 3.1k views. And one of the viewers requested this video to be reacted because before I reacted to Gladys Grace for being sort of like Whitney Houston, and they told me that she has a group named Ladies of Soul, so let's watch it.
For a while, to love was all we could do. We were young and we knew that our eyes were alive. Deep inside we knew our love was true. Something happened along the way. What used to be happy was sad. Something happened along the way, and yesterday was all we had. Could you leave me on and not let me stay around? Oh, after the love is gone, just to be right is wrong. Love is lost, be found.
This is for Prince. Tracy died soon after long fought civil war. Just after I wiped away his last tear, I used to cry for Tracy, 'cause I wanted to see him again. Oh. But sometimes life isn't always the way. Come on girls, help me out.
Sometimes it snows in April. Sometimes I feel so bad,
so bad.
Sometimes I wish life was never ending, but all good things they say never last.
And love, it isn't love until it's past.
Otis Redding, Night of Oakville Dallas. Sitting in the morning sun, always sitting till the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and I watch them roll away again. Oh, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll my way. Ooh, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. I said 2,000 miles I've rode just to make this dock my home. Yeah, I was time. And what about Amy? For you, I was a flame. Loving is a losing game. 5-story fire as you came. Loving is a losing game. One I wish I never played. Oh, what a mess we made. But now the final frame. Loving is a losing game. Self-professed, profound, till the chips are falling down. No, you're a gambling man. Loving is a losing hand. Toen ik ongeveer 8 jaar oud was, hoorde ik dit liedje van David Bowie. En ik wilde alleen maar dansen. Come on people, let's dance with me. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance to the blues, yeah. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio, yeah. Woo! If you say run, I run with you. If you say high, we're high. Because my love for you would break my world in two. If you should go into my arms and tremble like a yeah. Let's dance under the moonlight. It's mysterious moonlight.
What? My God. Ladies of Soul is consists of, I think, 5 members. Yeah, 5 members. We have here Birgit Lewis, Gladys Grace, Celia Romley, Candy Dulfer, the saxophone woman, and Trench G. Oster. I really don't know how to pronounce the last name. By Ladies of Soul. Alright, they have a very good voices. Most specifically, if they blended it together, the way they sang the song together, the way they delivered the song, it was so wonderful and great. And as usual, Gladys Grace stand out among the 4 ladies. I'm so sorry guys, but I really like Gladys Grace so much. When her turn came, it's like that the queen is here, something like that. It was so, very, very nice and fantastic. So I'll be reacting more Ladies of Soul 2017 songs, and if you have any more suggestions about any songs they sang, please drop the comment down below. And if you like this video, press the like button, and if you did not subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell button if you want to be notified every time I upload videos. Bye!